In today's video, I will teach you how to export Lightroom presets. Let's get started. Exporting Lightroom presets is a useful way to share your presets with others, transfer them to another computer, or back them up for safekeeping. Here's a step-by-step guide to export your Lightroom presets efficiently. First, open Lightroom and switch to the Develop module by pressing D. On the left-hand side, locate the Presets panel. In the Presets panel, find the specific preset or folder of presets that you want to export. If your presets are grouped into folders, expand the folder to see all presets. Now right-click or control-click on Mac on the preset that you want to export, then select Export from the drop-down menu. A file browser window will open, asking where to save the preset file. Now choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the preset, and the preset will be saved as an XMP file, which is compatible with most Lightroom versions and other programs that support XMP presets. An optional step is exporting preset folders. If you want to export an entire folder of presets, simply navigate to the location of your presets on your computer. Then copy the desired folder to a new location or compress it into a zip file for easier sharing. You can also find your presets on disk. If you can't locate the export options in Lightroom, you can manually find and export presets by going to Edit, Preferences, then select the Presets tab, then click Show All Other Lightroom Presets or Show Lightroom Presets folder. Then open the folder labeled Develop Presets, then locate your preset or folder of presets. Then copy the desired presets files and save them to your desired location. To share presets, you can email the XMP files, upload the presets to a cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, or post them on social media or your website. And to transfer presets to another computer, copy the files to a USB drive or send them via email, then import them into Lightroom on a new device. By following these steps, you can easily export your Lightroom presets for personal use, sharing, or storage. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.